Tesla's second-generation Roadster prototype is nothing short of revolutionary. With its tri-motor AWD configuration, removable glass roof, and ultra-clean, future-focused aesthetics, the prototype shown in the video offers a tantalizing glimpse of what's to come. Elon Musk's announcement of the optional SpaceX Track Package, featuring rocket thrusters for enhanced acceleration, braking, and cornering, frames this Roadster as a prospect more akin to a track weapon than a traditional GT car. Design and aesthetics. Visually, the Roadster is sleek and purposeful. The low-slung profile and aggressive Aero emphasize performance, while the minimalist cabin, highlighted in the video, is devoid of clutter. Key cabin details include a central flashboard dominated by a sleek touchscreen and digital driver interface, carbon fiber trim and premium leather, blending sports car aesthetic with futuristic sensibilities, a removable, semi-transparent roof panel that invites open-air driving. Externally, retractable door handles and a pronounced rear diffuser hint at aerodynamic efficiency, while the flush body panels reveal the care given to airflow and cooling performance. Performance specs and track package. From launch, the Roadster is claimed to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds in its base form. The track package raises the stakes dramatically. Rocket thrusters almost equals 10 cold gas thrusters positioned around the car, enhancing acceleration, lateral grip during cornering, and potentially even braking force. The video hints at Musk's long-stated vision of 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-boggling 1.1 seconds under rollout conditions. Tri-motor powertrain. One front, two rear, enabling torque vectoring and delivering over 10,000 Newton-meters of wheel torque. Battery and range. A massive 200 kilowatt-hour pack yields over 620 miles, almost equals 1,000 km of range. Top speed. Tesla claims in excess of 250 miles per hour, 402 plus km/h, for the production version. In the video, the host marvels at the blistering throttle response and instant torque delivery, a promise of supercar performance with EV refinement, especially in track package guys. On-track dynamics and handling. The review covers several performance-focused details. Cornering. The combination of all-wheel torque vectoring and active aerodynamics inspired by the SpaceX setup results in astonishing mid-corner grip and confidence. Braking. Aside from massive regen, the cold gas thrusters appear to supplement deceleration, potentially reducing brake fade and extending stopping distances on track. Ride feel. The striking accelerative thrust is paired with a flat, composed chassis that tackles curbs with surprising compliance, yet remains taut over broken pavement. Shots of the car carving through sweeping bends show incredible composure, underlining Tesla's success in balancing raw power with refined handling. Technology and interior experience. Inside the Roadster, the video highlights a tech-rich environment. Infotainment and driver display. A landscape touchscreen complemented by a secondary display behind the wheel offers driving data such as torque distribution, extractor for thruster pressure, and lap times. Connectivity. Full support for Tesla's suite of OTA updates, cabin climate control via Alexa-style voice commands, and integrated performance logging, G-meter, track telemetry, etc. Comfort and usability. The 2+2 cabin layout creates reasonable rear space for additional passengers or gear, and the cabin is as comfortable for daily cruising as it is raw during hot lapping. Prototype feedback and observations. The video reviewer notes a few prototype caveats. Unfinished touches. Some interior trim pieces appear loosely fitted during the test drive, but Tesla enthusiasts would expect finishing touches to improve ahead of production. Thrust noise and sensation. The track package's cold gas thruster pulses were audible and obvious, not as violent as a rocket, but enough to underscore the car's breakneck capabilities. Suspension sharpness. At the track, the firm setup can be jarring on bumpier sections, though perfectly acceptable on smooth circuits. Future models will likely tune this balance even further. Price and market position. While exact pricing wasn't confirmed in the video, general consensus places the base Roadster around $200,000, with the track package pushing total MSRP close to $300,000, depending on customization. This places it in the league of hypercars, but with few rivals matching its 0 to 60 performance or claimed range. Analysts quoted in the video believe Tesla will position it as a halo car, one intended more for brand prestige than mass market volumes, yet capable of pushing the boundaries of EV performance. Production timeline and outlook. Drawing from the Tesla Wiki, the Roadster, originally slated for a 2020 release, has seen delays but is widely expected to enter production in 2025. The prototype shown is close to final form, with engineering confirmation from Tesla's VP in February 2025 that the track package is actively being developed. Production intent seems firm, barring unforeseen supply or regulatory obstacles. Final verdict from the video. The reviewer's conclusion: this car isn't just fast, it's transformative. With base to 60 in under 2 seconds and a track package that almost feels like science fiction, the Roadster shakes the foundations of both internal combustion and electric supercar hierarchies. The blend of astonishing acceleration, blistering top-end speed, and everyday usability, especially with its range, makes this a potential EV legend. Assuming Tesla can deliver reliability and finish, early adopters may soon have one of the most potent track cars ever offered to the public. Summary: in essence, Tesla's Roadster Track Package prototype brings hypercar theatrics into reality. With a tri-motor, AWD powertrain, optional cold gas thrusters, 0 to 60 in 1.11.9 seconds, 250+ mph top speed, and roughly 620 miles of range, it's engineering bravado in motion. The video review corroborates Tesla's bold claims, showing confidence-inspiring handling, spine hair-raising launches, and a tech-laden cabin. If production matches prototype promise, this EV could rewrite supercar expectations forever.